After running many tests on the Volkswagen Virtus, Škoda has begun testing a similarly sized and spec'd sedan for the Indian market. It is called the all-new Rapid in Russia, but there is still some ambiguity on whether Škoda India will call it the Slavia, inspired by its concept car, or make an interplay with the popular Rapid name tag, or simply call it the Laura. Either way, this new sedan is likely to coexist with the Rapid, and if it does, it will slot between its aging sedan and the all-new 4th generation Octavia. Doing that would allow Škoda to place the Rapid as a roomier and more premium alternative to similarly priced but smaller sub-4 meter sedans, while the Slavia will rival the likes of the Honda City, the Suzuki Ciaz and the Hyundai Verna. It features automatic LED headlamps and tail lamps, the sharper new Škoda grille and edgier styling than the India spec Rapid. While the new Russian Rapid has a 50mm longer wheelbase than the India spec Rapid, the Slavia is likely to stretch the wheelbase by a further 49mm to a total of 2651mm for class-leading cabin room and even a best-in-class boot capacity of 530 liters. The cabin features 6 airbags, digital instrumentation on the top-end trim and a 10-inch infotainment system similar to the Kushaq. The car also features a 2-spoke steering wheel with Škoda's new roll and click switches. Under the hood are 2 new engine options to choose from: a 1-litre TSI making 115 PS or 175 Nm, offered with a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed automatic torque converter, and a 1.5-litre TSI with 150 PS and 250 Nm, paired with a 6-speed manual or the DQ200 7-speed DSG automatic. Both these options are similar to the Kushaq. We expect the Slavia to be priced between 11 to 16 lakh rupees when it launches in early 2022. It will spawn a Volkswagen sibling too, likely to retain the aforementioned Virtus name tag. Well, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share this video and to subscribe to this channel for more such content.